Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be explaining a little bit more about my hackathon proposal, which is social tokens for EdTech. Why do we need this and why do we need this now? Well, if you see a lot of blockchain frameworks, blockchain layer ones, different blockchain platforms are focusing on content creation and engaging developer communities as well as individual developers. This has become one of the biggest priorities for these companies and the entire industry. So you can see a lot of programs like ambassador programs, community outreach programs coming up. But there is always a dearth of good developer ambassadors, good educators who can create technical content in the most engaging and easy way. Now, my proposal involves a platform where we encourage different developer content creators, technical content creators, or educators to come and create their social tokens and interact with the community. Here, both the consumers of the content as well as the creators are getting rewarded. Let me tell you how. Before that, let me tell you what the problem is, right? This is the current scenario that a lot of people who have expertise in creating good educational content, here I've taken my own example, that they get a lot of requests from the community, but they don't have that much time or understanding as to what best to filter out from here. So, for example, you can see that a lot of people may see one particular topic and ask them to create an educational series on another topic. Is it possible to create content on different topics? These are some demands from the community. There are also requests to speak at different conferences, give some tech talks to different universities, have some meetups. And one of the other things that are a lot of requests generally come in is in the space of mentorship. Can you mentor us? Can you discuss? Can you spare a couple of hours in a week and discuss about blockchain with us? Right? These are a couple of requests that most of the ed tech, I would say, folks in the ed tech or folks in the blockchain technology domain get requests on. Now, how can this particular problem of filtering out these requests or streamlining these be solved, right? What should be the incentive for this particular person to cater to these requests, right? Now, one of the best ways to come up with that is having social tokens of their own. In this case, content creators can create their own social tokens. Users or the community members can buy the social tokens to get exclusive access to their content on this platform. Users can buy the social tokens to fund the creator's content as well. It's a way of contributing to their work, right? And the users can also vote on the type of content that they would like to see. How does the typical how would this platform work like? So a content creator would come and create their social token. For example, in this case, my social token called Gyan is being created on the content, and I can choose to enable certain things for those who have X amount of my tokens. For example, videos on solidity data types, right? I can create some exclusive content on this for those who are holding at least 100 Gyan tokens, similar to access to some exclusive content that I've created on perhaps some new protocols or perhaps some niche protocols, right? One-on-one mentoring opportunities. So I get a lot of requests on how I can mentor certain people or discuss, brainstorm with them on a blockchain idea, right? I can keep this as a feature of my platform, of this platform, and enable that for those who are interested, right? So if they hold X amount of my social tokens, they are entitled to mentorship opportunities. I can also have approve conference speaking requests through this. Most of the speakers, most of the conferences, in fact, these days are looking for diverse audience. So for those who want to create social tokens on this platform, and if they have the ability to speak at their well versed in speaking and putting across their thoughts during different conferences, during different events, they can leverage this feature as well. And there are so many other things that you could do with your social token as a community content creator, right? Essentially, you're becoming an influencer, and for you to be rewarded as a reward, you're expecting folks to hold some of your social tokens. That's the whole idea, right? The advantages to this are many, but some of them that I'm focusing here on are incentivization to content creators to create community focused content. Community can vote as to what kind of content they would like to see, and the creators can focus on those type of content because they are getting incentivized for creating that. Conferences or organizations looking for diverse speakers can come to this platform, and they can hold their social tokens, they can buy the social tokens and invite folks to speak at their conference. One on one mentorship, as I already mentioned, in the blockchain space, it is becoming more and more rare to get one on one mentorship. So, this can be very interesting to set up time with someone. All you need to do is buy their social tokens, right? It's really cool. And of course, the community can vote on the type of content to be created, making this a more of a decentralized governance altogether, right? So yeah, thanks everyone for watching this video. I hope to take this project forward really soon, because I came up with this idea because some of these problems I was facing myself, and I know that a lot of other content creators out there would also benefit and kind of take advantage of this proposal. So I hope to build it out soon and share my POC with the team.